My name is Angel. In my video, I will teach you how to make a DIY hand moisturizer. I choose this product because I want to save money from buying a hand moisturizer. My name is Angel. In my video, I will teach you how to make a DIY hand moisturizer. I choose this product because I want to save money from buying a hand moisturizer. But before we start making a DIY, I will show you the materials needed and proceed in making a hand moisturizer. So here, we have an aloe vera gel, an alcohol, a scent, or anything that will make your hand moisturizer fragrant, a bowl, a spoon, and a bottle container. In the mixing bowl, mix the aloe vera gel and the alcohol. Next, put or spray 2 to 3 of your scent and mix the mixture using the spoon. And lastly, pour the mixture in a nice bottle container. That's it guys for this part of video. If you have all the materials needed and follow all the procedures, you can now make your own hand moisturizer. So, the next part of this video will be my partner teaching you how to make another DIY.
Hi everyone, I'm JK. Here in my video, I will teach you how to make DIY speaker. I don't have money to buy speaker, so instead of buying, I will make DIY speaker. But before we start, I will show you the materials needed in making
We will
this
be
product.
needing 1 tissue carton, 2 paper cups, a cutter, a tape, and a pencil. If you are finished preparing all your materials needed, you can now start making a DIY
Cut the
speaker.
carton roll that will fit your phone.
Cut a hole in the bottom of both cups.
Insert the carton roll. Try to put your phone and play a song. That's it.
Is it easy? If you follow the step correctly, you can do it by yourself. And if you do it, you can do something that you don't expect things. I hope you watch and enjoy my video. Thank you for watching.